Good day everyone, I am Shane and our title is Brew and Sip Cafe, and I will explain the first part of our system, which include the login screen, the coffee menu, and the milk tea menu. Let's begin with the login screen. This is where cafe staff enter the system. The type is username, the password, and click the login button. The purpose of the click in the button. The purpose of the screen is to keep the system secure. Only authorized staff members can access the cafe system, which helps protect customers' orders and prevents mistake or authorized changes. After logging in, user can assist the digital menu, starting with the coffee menu screen. Here, customer can see different coffee drinks offered by Brew and Sip Cafe. Each item shows the name of drink, a short description, and the price, making it easy for customers to understand what they are ordering. Some of the available drinks include espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino, mocha, and iced coffee. The screen helps customers quickly choose their favorite coffee without needing to ask the staff. Next is the milk tea menu screen. This screen is for customers who prefer milk tea instead of coffee. It shows a variety of flavors such as classic milk tea, taro, matcha, Thai milk tea, watermelon, and brown sugar milk tea. Just like the coffee menu, each item includes its price and description. By separating coffee and milk tea into different screens, the system makes the menu easier to browse and avoids confusion. That's all my part.
Thank you, Shine. I will now explain the last three screens of the system, which are the adds-on screen, the order creation screen, and the staff order QA. First is the add-on screen. This screen allows customers to customize their drinks. After choosing a coffee or milk tea, they can select extra items like whipped cream, extra espresso shot, vanilla syrup, caramel drizzle, boba pearls, and coffee jelly. Each add-on has its own price, and when a customer selects one, it is added to their drink. And total cost. This gives customers more control over how their drink tastes and makes the ordering experience more fun and personalized. Next is the order creation screen. After the customer finishes choosing their drink and adds on, the system creates their order. The system automatically gives the order a unique order number. It's very important because it helps both the customer and the staff identify the order once the order is created. It is sent digitally to the cafe staff, so there is no need to write it down or repeat it verbally.
Conclusion. Our Brew and Sip Cafe digital service prototype makes ordering faster and easier for customers.
Conclusion. At the same time, it helps cafe staff stay organized and serve orders more efficiently.